Okay guys, let's make a face cream or a face moisturizer from home. This is a very simple way you can make your own face cream or your face moisturizer from the comfort of your home. First, I'm going to be needing my distilled water, and I'm going to be using 39.5 grams of my distilled water. So guys, I'm making a very small batch. I'm making a 50 grams batch. If you want to make a bigger batch, let me know in the comment section so I can drop the formula for you. So guys, this is the quantity of what I'm going to be using for this recipe. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 grams of my glycerin. Glycerin will help to add moisture to the cream. It will help the cream to penetrate deeply into your skin. So I'm going to be heating this up, and I'm going to be using my microwave to heat it. Next, I'm going to come in with my heat safe container, and I'm going to be adding my cetyl alcohol, and I need just 1.5 grams of my cetyl alcohol. So next, I'm going to be adding my emulsifying wax, and I'm going to be using 1.5 grams of my emulsifying wax. If you have BTMS 50, you have Olivia 1000, you can use them. Any other wax you have will do the same. So next, I'm going to be adding 5 grams of my carrot oil, but you can always use any oil of your choice. And I'm going to be heating this up for everything to melt. I'm going to set this in my microwave for everything to melt. And this is it, everything has melted, everything is now liquid. And I also heat up the water, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour the water into the oil. This is me pouring my water face into my oil face. And I'm just going to mix everything properly with my hand. If you have hand blender, this is when you can use your hand blender. But if you don't have hand blender or you have hand mixer, you can also use it as well. So if you don't have any of them, no problem. Just mix it with your hand and everything will turn out very well. So after mixing for a while, I decided to use my hand mixer to mix it. But if you don't have hand mixer or you don't have hand blender, don't worry, just mix it with your hand. But for me, I decided to use my hand mixer just to speed up the process. So after mixing for a while, as you can see, everything is becoming very thick. Our cream is taking its form. So I'm going to be using my hand mixer one more time. I'm going to whip it to my consistency, to the consistency I like. If you want your cream to be thick, you can whip this for like 5 minutes. But if you don't want it to be thick, just whip for like 60 seconds or 2 minutes, then you're done. And after mixing for like 3 minutes, this is what I have, and I like this consistency, so I'm going to leave it like this. If you want to use this cream on your own, like you are making it for yourself, you can just leave it like this. Or if you want to add fragrance, you can add fragrance. But if you're making it for sale, you need to add preservative. And I'm going to be adding Jamal Plus preservative, and also I'm going to be adding color to it because I don't want my own to be white. But if you want your own to be white, you can leave it like the way it is. But if you want to add color, you can add any color of your choice. I'm going to be adding my fragrance, preservative, and pink color pigment to it. And my face moisturizer or my face cream is ready. I'm just going to set this in my container and we are done. And this is our final product, guys. This cream is so hydrating. You can actually make this for sale if you want to sell it. It is so hydrating and so moisturizing. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.